Have you ever looked at a solid rock and wondered how it could ever be broken down into something else? Well, just like a sculptor who uses a hammer and chisel to chip away at a rock to create a beautiful masterpiece, learning a new language requires consistent effort, discipline, and a solid plan. Breaking down a rock into something beautiful is not an easy feat. It requires a tremendous amount of patience, skill, and persistence. A sculptor must approach the rock with a clear plan in mind and then use a hammer and chisel to carve away everything that is not part of the final design. It's a process that requires unwavering discipline and a laser-like focus. Learning a new language can be just as challenging. It's not easy to master a new language, but with consistent effort and discipline, it's possible. Much like a sculptor needs to chip away at a rock every day, language learners must commit to practicing their new language skills consistently. Whether it's speaking with native speakers, reading books, or watching movies, every effort counts towards progress. Discipline is also a crucial component of language learning. A sculptor cannot afford to waste a single motion, and neither can a language learner afford to waste a single opportunity to practice their language skills. Discipline means putting in the time, staying focused, and holding oneself accountable for achieving their language learning goals. Having a plan is essential for both sculpting and language learning. A sculptor must have a clear idea of what they want their finished product to look like and how to get there. Language learners need to have a roadmap in place, including goals and milestones to achieve along the way. A solid plan provides direction and helps learners stay on track. Just as a sculptor needs a hammer and chisel to chip away at a rock to create something beautiful, language learners need consistency, discipline, and a plan to achieve fluency in a new language. It may seem like an insurmountable task, but with determination and the right approach, it's possible to chip away at the language barrier and communicate fluently in a new language. So keep chipping away day by day, and soon you'll be able to communicate with the world in a whole new way. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.